our father Jacob, and he is blind because of Yusuf's sadness already. We don't want to have him suffer more. Please take any one of us but him. Take any one of us but him. Try to relate it with Gaza and Palestine today. They're offering somebody else as a punishment. That sure, he might have committed theft. He didn't, of course, in the Quran, of course. But they're offering themselves. Take any one of us. We will be the hostages. We will be the prisoners. But let this guy go. Look what Yusuf said. And that is my message. I hope through this recording it will reach out to my Jewish brothers and sisters in humanity and all people. Yusuf said, قَالَ مَعَاذَ اللَّهِ مَعَاذَ اللَّهِ مَعَاذَ اللَّهِ أَن نَأْخُذَ إِلَّا مَنْ وَجَدْنَا مَتَاعَنَا عِنْدَهُ إِنَّا إِذًا لَظَالِمُونَ. So, oh, what a shame. Oh, God forbid. We can never do that. Meaning him, and now he's a powerful man.